here in India. But that was the time when India had nuclear explosion, and France, US, Israel, UK, they all stopped giving all supports, technical supports to Indian Air Force. In Indian Air Force, you have aircrafts from Russia, UK, now Israel also, France, right? Mirage and all are from France. So I am talking about defense aviation. So they stopped supporting their aircrafts in India. At the time when Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji had nuclear explosion, that was around 2003 when we started our Indian business, right? So Indian Air Force approached IITs. Now you solve the problem. French are not supporting. How to fly Mirage? Equipments are lying idle. In aircraft industry, in aviation industry, there is lot of testing that is done on the ground. Testing of components, assemblies and complete aircraft. Lot of testing is done on the ground before you take the aircraft for flying. Because जब आप कार की सर्विसिंग कराने हम लोग जाते हैं तो सुपरवाइजर को बगल में बैठा के ले जाते हैं ना कि आप सही सर्विस हुई कि नहीं हुई, आवाज आ रही है, ये पहिया आपका थोड़ा हिल रहा है ना, करते हैं ऐसा. The same cannot be done with the aircraft. एयरक्राफ्ट में तो the pilot cannot say कि आ जाओ चलो देखते हैं कुछ दिक्कत तो नहीं है. कह सकते हैं? ज्यादातर लोग लगता है कह सकते हैं, नहीं कर सकते ना. So for that you have to do lot of testing on the ground. So aircraft is tested on the ground to simulate the flying conditions. So when aircraft is imported, complete infrastructure is also imported to test on the ground. So in 2003, these French companies, UK companies stopped supporting India. So Air Force contacted IITs, and that is where your communication, your contacts with faculties come into use. So my professor contacted me saying that you were working in US on similar things. So there are a lot of projects from Indian Air Force. Will you do this? So I said yes, we will do. So we got in 2004 we got a single order of 2.8 crore rupees. 2004, that was a lot of money at that time, right? So this is how businesses happen. So everything is not in your control, but you be there with your business idea. Network with your faculty members, network with your friends and your relatives. अभी एक और अपने हिंदुस्तान में कल्चर है, बड़ा